In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create teams in monday.com so you can organize your members, improve collaboration, and manage projects more efficiently. First, sign in to your monday.com account and go to your main dashboard. Next, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu with several account and workspace options. From the menu, select Teams to open the Team Management section. Once you are in the Teams area, click the New Team button to start creating a team. Now, enter a name for your team. Choose a name that clearly represents the department, project, or group you'll be working with. After naming the team, start adding members. Simply type the names or email addresses of the people you want to include and select them from the suggestions that appear. Review the team details to make sure everything looks correct. Once you're ready, click Create to finish setting up the team. Your new team will now be available throughout monday.com, making it easier to assign tasks, share updates, and collaborate on projects. That's it. You've successfully created a team in monday.com. Thanks for watching.